In this video, I will be showing you how to get Microsoft Copilot in dark mode. Let's get started. First, I open up my web browser and click on the address bar at the top of the screen to search for the platform. I type in Copilot and hit enter to bring up the search engine results. When the search results load, I look for the official link that says Microsoft Copilot, your AI companion, at the very top. I move my cursor over and click directly on that link to navigate to the page. Once the website loads, I take a moment to wait for the complete interface to settle down. You can see the initial placeholder elements fill out on the left panel, and soon enough, the main conversation screen becomes completely active. Now that the layout is ready, I decide to try out a quick query just to see how the system responds in its current bright theme. I click inside the prompt text box where it says, Message Copilot, and start typing out a detailed question. Explain the science behind why we dream while we sleep. After finishing the prompt, I click the arrow icon on the right side of the text field to submit it. The page transitions and Copilot immediately starts processing the request, pulling information from the web. Within a few seconds, a comprehensive breakdown begins generating on screen, detailing REM sleep, brain regions involved, neurochemical changes, and the overall functions of dreaming. I scroll down the page slowly to review the nicely formatted output, reading through the bullet points and looking at the comparative table comparing REM versus non-REM dreams. The interface looks good, but the default light design can be quite heavy on the eyes, especially during long reading sessions. To fix this and shift the layout into a much cleaner dark aesthetic, I need to open up the user preferences. I move my mouse down to the lower left-hand corner of the screen where my profile name is displayed. I click on my profile button, which instantly brings up a vertical pop-up menu filled with different option fields. From this list, I locate and click on the Settings tab. This opens up a dedicated settings window right in the middle of my screen, defaulting to the Preferences category. I look down to the bottom item in this window labeled Theme, which is currently set to the light theme option. I move my cursor to the right and click on the text box next to it. A drop-down menu immediately appears showing two primary styles. I hover over the Night choice and click it. As soon as I make that selection, the entire window and the background instantly shift into a dark theme layout. This setup is much more comfortable for low-light environments. I can now close out of this panel and continue using the system smoothly. That is exactly how you switch your experience over. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helps you out. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.